Singular, indefinite pronouns. What are singular, indefinite pronouns, and why are they singular? Keep watching and find out. Okay, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Indefinite pronouns. Let's get started. Indefinite pronouns such as each, everyone, and anybody often cause confusion when it comes to agreement. This means grammar agreement, subject verb agreement. Indefinite pronouns feel plural, right? More than one, because they seem as though they are referring to a whole group, right? Everyone is at the party tonight. You can see a whole group of people, which is plural, right? Well, not so fast. Are they actually plural? Look at these two sentences. Do you think they are correct or incorrect? Sentence 1. Each of the children are to blame. Each of the children are to blame. Sentence 2. Each of the dogs are going to be tested. Each of the dogs are going to be tested. These are errors, mistakes. They are incorrect. Don't say, each of the children are to blame. Each of the dogs are going to be tested. Say instead, each of the children is to blame. Each of the dogs is going to be tested. Okay. Hi guys, just a short interruption. Please take a second and hit that like button. It really helps my channel. Thank you so much. Back to the video. The following indefinite pronouns are always singular. Always singular. Okay? Always. Each, either, neither, one, no one, anyone, everyone, someone, anybody, somebody, nobody, everybody. Therefore, the verbs and pronouns they need to agree with in a sentence must be singular too. Understand so far? Don't say, either of these books are good. Say instead, either of these books is good. Don't say, are anyone going to the party tonight? Say instead, is anyone going to the party tonight? Don't say, everyone from class are going to be there. Say instead, everyone from class is going to be there. Don't say, only one of the doctors have been taught the new program. Say instead, only one of the doctors has been taught the new program. Don't say, neither of them have seen the film. Say instead, neither of them has seen the film. Don't say, the cannoli, the cannelloni, and the lasagna are very popular, so either choice are good. Say instead, the cannelloni and the lasagna are very popular, so either choice is good. Why? Why? Remember, each means each one. Each one. This one and this one. Either means this or that. One or the other. Either. Neither means not this or not that. Not one or not the other. So everything is singular. They are separated, right? Everyone and everybody mean each person or all persons. So everyone can mean everyone in the group, each person in the group, or everyone can mean all persons in the group, and therefore the group is one group. Understand? Either way, this way or this way, it's singular. Anyone and anybody mean any person. Any person. You don't care who. No one and nobody mean no person. Zero. But no person. So, these indefinite pronouns are singular. So, they all use singular verbs. Even when the noun is plural. Either of these books, plural, is good. It's correct. Only one of the doctors, plural, has been taught the new program. It's correct. Okay, guys, let me know your questions down in the comments section below and your ideas for future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you learned something, and subscribe to the channel for free English videos in the future. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.